Okay, this is just a video for the nation. Someone needed help installing the Virtue board, which I'm going to show you how to do. Alright, basically it's just super easy. All you have to do, just make sure those wires go in first. Hold on, let me get... Okay. You can see it. Just make sure those wires get in there first so it's nice and easy. And just put the board in like that carefully. Just very carefully. Oh darn it, I did it the wrong way. Hold on. Well, you can see how I'm taking it out. I'm being very gentle on the wires so they don't rip. Hold on a sec. Okay, I'm being really gentle on the wires so they don't rip. Okay, here, now that it's in the right way, like I said before, you put the wires in the front of in the top of the foregrip first, and you just put it in like that, and being very careful to make sure the wires don't rip, because the Virtue's wires are super bad and they rip very easily. Okay, you just push it in. Hold on, god darn it. So it's like this, and until you have the button lined up with this hole. Hold on. Right. Okay. The quality is kind of bad for some reason. I have no idea. But yeah, now the button is lined up there. You can see the board is in. Battery harness is there, everything. And now all I need to do is get the Allen key and the screw and screw it in right there, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, get a flat screw. When you screw it in, when you screw your board in, make sure the board is down and seated correctly in all the way, like mine wasn't right now. Okay. God darn it. Okay. Okay, this is retarded. It's not screwing in. Okay, yeah, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. The screw won't screw in. Stupid screw. Okay, I'm going to try that again. Oh, great. Okay, there we go. You can see now that you can see the screw is screwing in. Jesus Christ, this is annoying. Okay, screws in. The board is in correctly, so you can see there. Now just put the battery in. Put it in here. And the batteries, I usually stuff them in that little hole right there, so that when you try and close the battery door, it won't like interfere at all. See how it's a little bit... what I usually do is just push that down a little bit. Get this screw. And screw it in. Okay, you're basically done. Now all you need to do is just all you need to do is put the foregrip back on, and hold on, put the foregrip back on, and you just screw in the screws and you're pretty much all set. As you can see. Alright, and that's it.